If you're a content creator who makes short form videos, you know how long it can take to edit smooth, clean looking motion graphics and captions for your videos. Well, in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can make some insanely smooth, clean caption animations and motion graphics for your short form content. And make sure to stick to the end because we're gonna be giving away some free pre-animated motion graphics and caption animations that you can just drag and drop on your videos and they'll make them look super clean in just a click of a button. Let's go. So we're inside of Premiere Pro right now, and I got this interview clip that I did. I interviewed a monk, and I want to go ahead and add a smooth caption animation above my head. One of the first free templates we're going to be giving away is linked down below in the description, and that's one of our ultimate viral caption animation mogurts. So to get this template, you literally just go to the link in the description, you download it, it's a .mogurt file, and you just drag and drop the mogurt literally into this graphics templates panel. So this graphics templates panel, you just drag and drop a mogurt, and it'll pop up right here once you do so. Now you can go ahead and take this mogurt and then just drag it onto your timeline. So I have a bunch of different variations of this one. I'm gonna drag it onto our timeline just like that. And because it's in 4K and it's really high quality, we're just gonna go ahead and scale it down until it matches the scene just like that. And the cool thing about this is it's super customizable. So you can move the position, the size, the color, rotation, whatever you want. And we're gonna go ahead and change the text to something more relevant like asking a monk for advice. And we can go ahead and also scale down the text. Like I said, it's super customizable. You can change anything from the font, the color, the size, position. You can even change like the glow highlight color. So if I want it to be blue, for example, I can do that. But I actually kind of like it orange because it matches his robe thing. I don't know. And then you can also just change the text to match what we're talking about in the video. So we're gonna say asking a monk for advice. Boom, just like that. Look at that. That looks so sick. So we got this crazy clean caption animation. And the cool thing about it is if you play it out, it's already animated, has some nice clean like glowing animations to the emphasis word. And you can even change stuff like the position of the glow color. Like if you want to move it down, you can do so. And like I said, it's completely free to download and try, like no strings attached. You just download it, drag, and you get the mogurt file. Now before we add more motion graphics, we of course want to go ahead and add the captions and also cut out all the bad takes of the recording. So if you're a short form content creator, you know how long it can take to just have to rewatch all your footage and just listen to the bad takes and then cut out all those bad takes and silences and repeats. This is extremely annoying, extremely time consuming. So that's why we're gonna be using our brand new AI Claude plugin, which uses AI inside of Premiere Pro. As you can see, I'm just gonna go to Window, I hit Extensions, and I'm gonna click Auto Edit. And now our AutoEdit Creator Mode plugin is going to pop up. Now this plugin is completely free to try out and test, and best yet, it comes with a full animated caption pack and motion graphics template preset pack for content creators. So specifically for content creators, it has animated titles, animated logo pop-ups, animated transitions, a bunch of other cool templates and presets inside of it when you download the plugin. The plugin's completely free to try out for 3 days too. So you click the creator mode icon and then you go ahead and type in a prompt of like what this video is about, right? So I'm gonna say this is a video, this is an interview, please cut out all the bad takes and repeats. Make it make sense. And that's like the coolest thing about this plugin is I can just type and prompt it and it will understand my video based on the individual prompt. And as you can see, it is now detecting the best takes for our video. So it's like actually understanding what our video is about, and it starts cutting out all those bad takes for us. So it's gonna go through a couple turns. And the cool thing about this plugin is it's actually thinking logically. So right now it's not just using standard scripts or standard automation, but it's actually using multiple AI Claude tools to understand what your video is about, what are the real silences, what are the real bad takes, and then from there, it's going to cut them out and give us a raw output. This is particularly great for anybody who makes content, just any like YouTube videos, TikToks, podcast clips, reels, you name it, because the coolest thing is that it's actually understanding your video. And then from there, it automatically cuts out those bad takes for us. So this one is really short. So you can see we have a bad take in the intro, and it also lets us review. So like if it messes up, you can go ahead and just keep it in. So I know I actually want to keep the, excuse me, sir. Oh, actually I did repeat myself. So I'll keep this one. Excuse me, sir, would you have a minute for a quick question? Like I'd actually prefer to keep that. And then now I just hit apply all permanent and boom, it edits my video for me and cuts out all those bad takes for us, which is really cool. Which moves us on to the next step, which is the captions. So we can actually go ahead and add custom animated captions to our video based off of straight from the plugin. So the plugin has built-in caption animations. We can go ahead and just pick a template, or we can customize our own if we want. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a template for time's sake, and we hit review and generate. And then now you can see we can edit the placement, the size, position of the text, and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that it's just a little bit smaller like that. And then we'll place it like right around there. And then now if we just literally click generate captions, voila, just like that, it has now added captions to our entire video for us. That is so crazy. Like we got this literally just a couple minutes, like seconds, actually seconds, by just clicking a button. So this is really cool. Honestly, it's a really cool workflow, especially if you're editing a lot of short form content. And it's a really cool way that you can get shorts done fast inside of Premiere Pro, especially because it's actually using Claude to understand your video and then edit out the bad takes for you, which really no tool out there I've seen is doing that. I think this is one of the first tools I've seen that listens and understands your video and then adds captions too. So if you wanna check it out, it's linked down below in the description. It comes with a free editing preset pack. And also until May 29th, if you want to get free credits for this plugin, so we're giving away a bunch of free credits for this plugin. If you go to the Product Hunt listing, the product's gonna be officially dropping and releasing on Product Hunt. The product's out, you can already try it, but it's gonna be releasing on Product Hunt on May 29th. So if you go and Product Hunt on May 29th and you just upvote our product and upvote AutoEdit Content Creator Mode, we'll give you free credits that you can use to automatically edit your videos on the house, no cost to you, edit your content faster, and use free credits on us, on my API key and my Amex credit card. So anyways, if you wanna get those free credits, then go to the Product Hunt link down below in the description and just make sure to upvote AutoEdit Content Creator Mode on May 29th. We'll send out email reminders and updates. But yeah, that's that. So moving on to some of the other motion graphic animations that we can actually go ahead and add to this video. So far we got the animated captions on the top, we got the captions, like the actual captions for the full video. Now let's go ahead and add some icons and animations. So this is another free template that comes with that creator mode pack. So this is a mogurt and it's also linked down below. This comes with the download of AutoEdit Content Creator Mode. Like I said, AutoEdit Content Creator Mode is completely free to download and try out. So when you download and try out AutoEdit Content Creator Mode, you'll get this other mogurt completely for free. And you can keep this mogurt for free forever, like it doesn't go away. And you just drag it onto the timeline and boom, just like that, it creates this crazy like animation with some text and icons. And the cool thing about this is it's super customizable. So you can go ahead and change the icon, you can change the text to say whatever you want, and it will automatically update it just like that. And also you can change the gradient background. So if you want a black background, you can do so just like this. Or let's say if you want to replace the actual icon itself, like you want to change this icon, you can go ahead and click on the hamburger icon and replace it from Finder and literally change the icon with just the click of a button. I'm literally picking a random screenshot, but as you can see, you get the point. It automatically adds animations for us with just dragging and dropping, and it has outro animations too. So this is honestly super cool. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to download those free templates and captions, they're linked down below in the description. And also if you want to try out that AutoEdit Content Creator Mode plugin completely for free, links also below in the description. Now if you want to learn more about how you can use Claude to automatically edit your videos inside of Premiere Pro, then you can check out this video link right here.